All right, doing a SQL problem for today. Your friend told you that if you keep coding on your computer, you are going to hurt your eyes. They suggested that you go with them to trivia night at the local club. Once you arrive at the club, you realize the true motive behind your friend's invitation. They know that you are a computer nerd and they want you to query the countries table and get the answer to the trivia questions. Schema of the countries table. There's 3 columns: country, capital, and continent. I like to just run stuff just to make sure that it makes sense. So select star for countries. Let's just verify it. I like to just make sure that it's right. And I want to do from, but it does look right. So three columns. So first question, from the African countries that start with the character E, get the names of their capitals ordered alphabetically. You should only give the names of the capitals. Any of the additional information is just noise. If you get more than 3, you'll be kicked out for being too smart. Also, this database is crowdsourced, so sometimes Africa is written Africa with a C and other times Africa with a K. And they give us some resources, so a like operator, an in operator, and an order by. Yeah, it looks like I got a bunch of these things. But something I see here is that I only want where the continent is Africa. So let's start with that part, where continent. And they gave us a little bit of a hint here with this in operator, because I want to check whether this continent is Africa with a K or Africa with a C. I can use this in operator. It's similar to like pandas where they have the is in, and you can specify a list. So in Africa or Africa with a K. And let's test this out. So now we just have continent is equal to Africa. And then the second condition, there was a second condition, from African countries that start with the character E. So, and when I have multiple conditions, I like to wrap them in parentheses. So the first condition is the continent is equal to Africa. Second condition is country. And they gave us another really hint right here with this like operator. And this like operator will allow you to grab special characteristics. So if we take a look at this, and yeah, so there's a bunch of different syntax you can use. So with this syntax right here, if you do a %sign, so it finds any values that starts with an A, and that's exactly what I need. So in country, like, but I want to do E and then a %sign. So let's see if that works. So we do have some countries that start with E's. So we should return something. And we got some E's, they're Africa. The next step, you should only return the names of the capitals. So I want to do instead of that, I just want to do capital. And then order the names of the capitals alphabetically. So order by capital. And I want to do ascending. And then if you get more than 3, you'll be kicked out for being too smart. So let's do limit 3 and see if that works. So cool, and let's attempt it. So cool. That is my solution. Hopefully that makes sense. And let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.